हे गाइस, इट्स कृतिन, वेलकम बैक टू सिद्धू ब्लॉग। सो गाइस, आज मैं रिएक्ट करने वाली हूँ टॉप 10 हिडन प्लेसेस दैट आर मस्ट टू विजिट व्हेन इन इस्लामाबाद। तो बहुत सारे लोग आप में से होंगे जो इस्लामाबाद गए होंगे या इस्लामाबाद में रहते होंगे, एंड बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट होंगे जिनको एक्चुअल में इस्लामाबाद बहुत पसंद होगा। तो शायद ये वीडियो उनके लिए हेल्पफुल हो सकती है। एंड आई थिंक फर्स्ट टाइम ट्रैवलर्स जो हैं एंड पीपल लाइक मी जिन्होंने नहीं देखा हुआ कि इस्लामाबाद में कौन सी जगहें हैं। ऑब्वियसली वी सीन इस्लामाबाद, लेकिन स्पेसिफिक जगहें अगर मुझसे कोई पूछे तो मुझे तो नहीं पता होगा। तो आज मैं इस वीडियो के ऊपर रिएक्ट करने वाली हूँ। ऐसी और बहुत सारी वीडियोज़ के ऊपर मैंने रिएक्शन किया हुआ है, लेकिन अगर आपने वो वीडियोज़ नहीं देखी तो पहला जल्दी जाओ वो वीडियोज़ देखो, किस चीज़ का वेट कर रहे हो। एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई यूट्यूब चैनल एज वेल। एंड मेरे इंस्टा हैंडल का लिंक है डिस्क्रिप्शन में, वो भी आप चेकआउट कर लो। लेट्स गो।
Islamabad is the capital and ninth largest city of Pakistan. We have already covered
Beautiful.
the famous places in Islamabad. Now we will take you to see the inner beauty and show you the beautiful hidden places which did not came to limelight.
Number 1. Bird Aviary.
Bird Aviary Islamabad is the third largest aviary in the world, having almost every species of the birds. It covers 3.8 acres of land and is located in the center of
बहुत सारे
Lakeshore
लोगों को
Park,
बर्ड वॉचिंग का
Islamabad.
शौक होता है।
It has almost 4,000 birds from 280 different species around the world, which is the major tourist attraction. Around 1 million tourists visit this aviary every year. Massive cages have been built in order to give living space to the birds so they can fly easily. Number 2. Simli Dam.
सिमली
It
डैम
is the biggest reservoir of drinking water for individuals
Beautiful.
living in Islamabad. The water comes in this dam from melting snow and natural springs of Murray Hills. Its elevation is about 80 meters and is built on Swan River. The dam is surrounded by mountains and greenery which makes it more beautiful. Main activities here involves boating and fishing. Many people travels to this dam for fishing and boating with families. Number 3. Shah Aladita Caves.
शाह
It is a centuries-old ancient Buddhist caves,
Wow.
which is also known as Sadhuda Bagh, located in the foots of Margala Hills. It is said to be more than 700 years old. Alexander the Great and Sher Shah Suri used this route to travel from Kabul to Gandhara, a city of Taxila. Almost 24 centuries old Buddhist sketches of Buddha can be seen on the walls of the caves. Number 4. Neela Sand.
It is one of the most attractive places hidden in Islamabad and only few people know about it.
Oh.
Neela Sand is about 40 kilometers away from main city.
सुंदर।
Its clear blue water, surrounding mountains and greenery makes it major attraction for tourists. Water is little bit deep, so it is advised to use life jackets while swimming. Most attractive thing of this waterfall is that it runs throughout the year. Number 5. Harwala Fort.
फरवाला
It's
मुझे
a
फोर्ट्स बहुत
15th
अच्छे
century
लगते हैं।
fort located about 40 kilometers away from Islamabad. The
Ancient।
fort is naturally surrounded by Himalayan range and Swan
फोटोशूट
River.
कितना अच्छा हुआ है यहाँ
This
पे।
fort was constructed by Ghakkars and then was conquered by Mughal King Babur in 1590.
This is conquered by
Around
Babur।
50 people still lives inside the fort. It's a nice place to visit for history lovers. Number 6. Ruti Waterfalls.
सुंदर।
A hidden waterfall in Margala Hills located
Yes,
behind
yes.
Pari Imam Shrine. Few minutes hike on Margala Hills take you to the stunning waterfall with natural
Very
ponds.
pretty।
It has crystal clear blue water with an eye-catching beauty of Margala Hills. In summer, many people visit this delightful waterfall and enjoy swimming in natural ponds. Number 7. Nilan Botu.
नीलान
It is
वही
located
कैसा
on
से
the top
पत्थर
of
है।
Margala Hills on about 40 minutes drive from Pir Sohawa. There are small water ponds having crystal clear water in which fishes can be found in excess amount. This place is known as the meditation place of Shah Abdul Latif Kazmi, commonly known as Bari Imam. The water and all its inhabitants are
Fish.
well preserved from years. Number 8. Shakarpadiya Hills.
A
शक्करपारी।
hill in the center of Islamabad
शक्करपारे वाला
is a
शक्करपारी
magnificent
है।
sight to visit. This hill has a local park for visitors. Star and Crescent Monument is an eye-catching piece of art to
बहुत
witness.
सुंदर है ये.
It also has a parade ground to host the Pakistan Day Parade on 23rd of March every year.
Okay.
It also has a recently built Pak-China Friendship Center which hosts many government and private events in Islamabad.
Number 9.
Beautiful.
Rawal Lake.
Rawal Lake. Yes,
It
yes.
is a man-made water reservoir located near Margara Hills National Park. Some small water streams coming from top of Margala Hills and Korang River are combined to form this artificial water lake.
Beautiful.
It covers an area
Very
of approximately 8.8 square kilometers
Boating
with
होती
maximum
होगी
depth
इधर तो
of
proper.
31 meters. This lake is being made by constructing the dam on Korang River, which is named as Rawal Dam. It has an elevation of about 133.5 feet. Locals visit this lake for fishing and boating. Number 10. Pakistan Railways Heritage Museum.
Wow.
It is located in
Very
Gondla
ancient.
Shahid. This station was established in 1882,
Steam engine
which
है.
connects 3 cities including Gohar, Peshawar and Haveli. The museum is a major attraction of locals
Wow.
as well as tourists who visit there to see the
Good
railway
photo shoot.
equipments that were used in British era.
Thank you for watching this
बड़ी
video.
अच्छी वीडियो
I
थी.
hope you
वेरी
all
सिंपल
enjoyed
एंड
it.
काफ़ी अनयूजुअल जगहें दिखाई जो कि बिल्कुल लोकल लोग होते हैं ना, जो उन्हीं को पता होती है ये. जैसे जिस शहर में हम रहते होते हैं ना, हमें वहाँ के सीक्रेट हिडन जेम्स पता होते हैं जो बहुत लोग चाहते होते हैं कि ज़्यादा लोगों को पता ना चले, क्योंकि फिर वो क्राउडेड हो जाते हैं और उनकी उतनी प्रिस्टिनिटी नहीं रहती. तो ये भी वैसे ही कुछ हिडन जेम्स थे, लेकिन इन्होंने आउट कर दिया. आई एम श्योर ऐसे और भी होंगे जो इन्होंने आउट नहीं किए होंगे अभी. एनीवे, व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल वीडियो. सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे अगर पसंद आया तो एक तो फोर्ट बहुत पसंद आया, रावल लेक बहुत पसंद आई, एंड लास्ट में जो रेलवे म्यूजियम दिखाया था, ये तीनों चीज़ें मुझे बहुत पसंद आई. छोटे छोटे वाटरफॉल्स, ब्यूटीफुल वाटर सिनारियो, बहुत अच्छा होगा, बहुत अच्छा लगता है, एंड पिक्चर शूट बहुत अच्छा होता है यहाँ पर. एनीवे, दिस वाज माय रिएक्शन एंड आई रियली होप दैट यू लाइक इट. दिस इज सिद्धू ब्लॉग साइनिंग ऑफ.